Do you want to make a difference and make money doing it? Have you been dreaming of or considering becoming a life coach, or are you a life coach that's just getting started? Well, if yes, then we invite you to become a certified professional life coach. It's actually a great time to become a life coach because life coaching is a 200 crore industry and one of the fastest growing industries in the world. The best thing about life coaching is that anyone can become a coach. You can coach clients on any topic that you love or any experience that you have, whether it's to help them improve a skill, achieve their goals, find more meaning and purpose in life, overcome challenges, find true happiness, get healthy, feel more confident, advance their career, start a business, or any other way that you feel inspired to help someone transform their lives. This course is designed to teach you everything that you need to know to feel confident as a life coach. Get your clients real results and create a thriving life coaching business. You learn industry's best practices and professional coaching skills and techniques, and you will receive done for you templates, worksheets, and questionnaires, making it even easier to get started right away. You'll develop a strong foundation of understanding of how to be an effective coach, including overcoming your own biases and establishing healthy boundaries and expectations. You'll develop strong communication skills, including powerful listening skills and vital questioning skills that will allow you to help clients develop a better understanding of themselves. You'll learn core life coaching tools, including goal setting exercises and accountability tips to help you empower your clients to follow through and achieve their goals. You'll learn popular activities that you can use with your clients, like the Wheel of Life, journaling, and affirmations, as well as the popular neuro linguistic program techniques. You'll develop the mindset of success, including developing your emotional intelligence, learning how to establish rapport with your clients, making sure you and your clients are promoting coaching with a growth mindset, and developing true confidence as a coach. And then you dig deeper within in-depth process designed to help you coach your clients achieve specific outcome. You also learn processes that we will cover, including awareness, mindfulness, self-talk, emotions, beliefs, decision making, taking action, overcoming fear, creating change, finding passion and purpose, and rewriting your life story. You'll also receive a ton of done for you templates, intake, form, worksheet, activities, and questionnaires. So basically, everything that you would need as a coach, you also have the skills, tools, mindset, and process to really thrive as a coach and make a difference in other people's lives. But we want you to make sure that your business thrives too. So, in this course, we have also included strategies for growing your coaching business, including naming your offering structure, your coaching, determining your value, setting your price, identifying your niche, crafting a magnet message, creating a coaching package, offering group coaching, and tips for marketing your business. So, everything that you would need to really provide not only as a coach but as a business that you might have. Axbay Global have trained hundreds of thousands of people around the world. Our content is based on our extensive research conducted on a daily basis by our expert teachers and trainers. So join us if you would like to be a certified life coach today. So our charges are pre-launch offer is at rupees 2000, and after launch it will become rupees 14,500. So please do register before we close the offer, which is on April 20th. The course starts on April 20th and the pre-launch offer will also end on April 20th. Thank you so much.